Connor and Josh cooking show.
The name's Josh Hennis, and this is Connor Heaps, my associate. We made breakfast today. Pancakes, bacon, hash browns, and eggs. This is one of the best breakfasts you'd ever eat. You couldn't even dream this up. Now, we're about to show you how it was done.
To start off, we have hickory smoked bacon, hash brown patties, eggs, and pancake mix.
We also have the pans to cook it on. We have stuff like bowls to mix it in. We have another bowl for the batter. We have a measuring cup. And we got pans.
First, we need to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes.
So I'm going to press bake. Go 400, which is 400. Now we're baking.
Alright, so our oven has preheated, so we're going to put the bacon and hash browns in. We have foil underneath the bacon so it doesn't burn and it's an easy cleanup.
What he said. Now, when we're cooking this, we want to cook this in the oven for about 15 minutes. So I'm about to hit cook time. Then you hit the 1, 5, double O, and then you got 15.
First, we're going to show you how to make pancakes. We need 1 cup mix,
And this is from our favorite Aunt Jemima.
3/4 a cup milk, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 egg.
Bop.
Yum.
Now, like any good cooks, we want to mix this up until it is a batter and it's less of a mix. Now, you can see, I don't got it going super well right now. You want to make sure all the batter is in there. You don't want to have in your pancakes uncooked batter because that doesn't taste good. I mean, that's just gross. Think about that.
Now we're going to make our pancakes. We have the temperature on medium, we have a little bit of oil, and we're going to make 3 good pancakes.
Silver Dollar, we've let them sit a little over 5 minutes, which is exceptionally long. But we only make the best pancakes for the best fans out there. Now that we see bubbles, we know it's a great time to flip them over. Now, I overcooked them a little bit. That's unfortunate. Don't want to slide over. There we go. Oh. Next, I will make the scrambled eggs. When you make scrambled eggs, you want to crack the eggs and make sure that no egg gets into your bowl that you're cooking in. Precise. Now, I'm cooking 2 eggs, 1 for me, 1 for Connor. And we're only doing 2 because I'm saving up for the pancakes. I think any logical person does that in the bacon. And now, we will pour a little bit of milk in here. And after that, I'm gonna whip it. Oh, sorry. We were just having a video special right now. Alright, Connor, would you like to introduce the next topic?
We're going to dump the eggs into the pan.
Pun. Now, when you're cooking the eggs, you want to give them a little bit of time to solidify. Now, they're probably not going to be ready too quick, but as you can see now, they're starting to solidify a little bit, and once it's up to your judgment. Some people like them a certain way, some don't, but you need to, when it comes time to you to flip them, you do, so then they bake on both sides, and they become perfect, so.
Our timer went off. We left it in a couple extra minutes just so we could get our bacon crispy. Now I will put our bacon on the paper towel so it absorbs all the grease.
May I just say, Connor, you cook these to perfection. Now we are finished, and one of the most important parts, getting it plated. Now, there we go. Mr. Connor's plate. Connor, now he's putting the bacon on. And now we're getting ready for what I believe is the grand finale, which is the pancakes. Now that we are done, it's time to do the best part, which is enjoy.
Cheers.
Cheers. These eggs and the pancakes are so fluffy.
The bacon and hash browns are so crispy.
It's so good. Thank you everybody for watching. It's been a pleasure to share with you a recipe that we love to eat.